What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hershey Travels. If you're new here, big welcome. If you're not, you already know the vibe. So today we're at Active Home Center, and listen, the place is giving house glow up energy. From kitchen to living room to those why am I buying this but I love it items. I tell you, the vibes are gonna nice. Let's see what's going on inside. Come walk with us and see for yourself. And before we go any further, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. Because if you don't, we're gonna side eye you and buy extra things on your behalf. Enough talking, let's go. So guys, as we come in, niceness. What's that? That's a countertop, no? Yeah, it's countertop. So these guys are for countertops. Like I make sure I show them the price and too. So now we're
This is number 10.
huh?
This was number for Countertop 19. I mean, yeah, startup, you don't really need more than this.
No bad at all.
Yeah.
Mm. I love black, but I
19
don't know if more than want a black.
19,900.
It's pretty though. So most of them that we see are 19,900.
You want that reason?
Yeah, they are.
Only thing you have to take into consideration our transportation.
No, but they do delivery. Guys that do delivery, I think. I remember one of the videos that said that they personally don't provide delivery, but they have somebody that they might use. Alright, so these also are these are floor tiles. Porcelain floor tiles.
5,990.
Yeah.
I think what I like it. The size too big for me.
For floor tile?
Floor tiles are
It's
too big.
nice.
You cut it in half, that would be the ideal size. Me.
And they're also some of them are also on clearance. So this one is originally 3,990 and the clearance price, so the no price is 2,997. Not bad.
Plus.
Plus GCT. But it's still not bad. Look. And these are also porcelains. These are floor tiles as well.
Floor tile also. Not my style, but
You know like them really that?
no, but I don't think it can look good.
Okay, no, him picky. Him very, very picky.
4,990.
For the longer tile, the less you use, no sir. Huh? Those are porcelain as well. Gone. I want to see everything. I want to see everything we're active having in stores. Me want to see everything. So these are floor tiles as well.
A
This is
little bit
marble.
too,
This is
a
nice.
little bit too plain.
It's not plain.
It's a little bit too plain.
It's not. And guys, this is 1,990. I like plain. Him love color. Him
Too
like the
plain.
red
Not
and
really
the
color,
green and the yellow.
patterns.
No, me not upon that. I like these. They are so calming. And maybe him not like the size.
Ah, look at it.
Yeah, you have to like big things. We like the big things. Hmm? Oh, this is nice. Yeah.
That's just 2,290.
So this one is just 2,290. And let me show you the size of it. See? And then you have these as well. Hey, enough things we're gonna do, you know. I wanna try to sit back and relax because enough things we're gonna do. We have far more to explore as it relates to active and what they have in store. And we will be showing you guys everything. At least I'm not really full today, so we're not really complain. No one really coming at people ways. These are the same floor tiles. Oh my god, the other side. Porcelain floor tiles as well. I don't like the black. I don't like the black. You like the black? I hear someone come out of the black.
Black clothes different from black tie.
Black clothes and black tile are the same thing. Black.
If you do like a kitchen with a contrast,
Mm-hmm.
and you have a white.
And the black. But I'm more put the black on like a wall. Like a backdrop.
Right?
One thing, guys.
Yeah, baby.
For 1,990. And these are still some long. So these are like 23 and a half by 47 and a quarter. So it's like 60 centimeters by 120 centimeters.
This is
And look at this one. This is called Majestic Gold. So these these are sintered stones. What are sintered stones? I don't know. What are they? I don't know, but it looks good. I'm gonna move back so you guys can see.
that's rare supplies.
Huh?
Rare supplies.
I don't know. I don't know. What if somebody can tell me what sintered stones are or where you put it
How do you install it?
and how you install it? I don't really want but I don't know work for them yet. You too early for that.
Oh,
What?
is it? Oh. So, that really fun of these.
So I have like the centerpiece of the porcelain tiles. You want like
Like a design in the middle.
a design in the middle.
Mm.
Then we have these. Oh wait, look here. For these.
That's what these are. Watch.
I think these are non-slip.
Yes, this thing there.
Yeah.
Driveway. So forth. I had a preference.
That's nice.
This it look
That's nice.
kind of rustic, naturalistic.
I like it.
Color. And this are just
So for well, I agree on one thing so far. That
Mm.
I like this one too. It's not bad.
I mean, these could have got together to, you know.
Oh, kinda.
Imagine one and this and another. Probably really good.
Not too much color that they let me tell you that. Me tell you the same love color, you know.
I have taste, that's all.
So me have what?
I don't.
Ah. Alright guys. They have a lot of variety. Me not
These
complain. There's a lot of variety. I don't
French
really know.
pattern set.
I don't really know what they are used on, but there are a lot of varieties in here. And they also have a lot of clearance. Hmm?
These look like they use it on pathways.
Oh, those are pools too.
Pool?
Pool tiles,
Like
yeah.
pool tiles? So why them so thick?
I don't know. So there are a lot of clearances going on, guys. Alright, let's move away a little from the tiles or go a little further in. Oh, these are the big tiles.
Yeah, like these, no. 890 for one.
Uh-huh.
This is what I use.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's look nice.
Uh-huh.
This look really nice too.
I like this one.
Mm.
If we're going to use these, would I have to maybe use a gray backdrop?
On the floor?
Yeah. No, not on the floor, but like
These
on the
would be going on the
wall.
floor now.
Huh?
These would be going on the floor.
Yeah, but if we're going to use
Floor
like a
tile.
backdrop, we use like a
Oh.
gray backdrop for like something like this. Or like this.
Nice. Kind of make the room
Dark, yeah.
yeah. Like
But they're
when
nice. They're all nice.
light can pass through. Mm-hmm. But
Yeah,
again,
here, stuff.
personal preference is personal preference.
Yeah.
Yeah. Prices are really nice.
Mm-hmm. Look on this one. Plain.
Too
But
plain.
it's too plain. It's nice.
Too plain. I prefer something. A little bit of something. Not too much.
Oh. Nice.
And then if you want to go massive, like this.
Uh-huh. Marbella gold.
2,990.
Oh. And let me show you the size of this one, guys.
39 and a quarter by 39 and a quarter. So this is pretty much like 2 or 3 times.
These are basically the same thing, just some other different designs. And then we have these. And then we have some smaller ones.
These are what, like bathroom tiles, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
You still set floor tiles.
Oh, but nice. $690. Most of them are $690. And we have some clearance ones. Look at that. So this was originally 690. The clearance it is now 497. The start.
Just see to me.
That's nice.
Right now, we
Look at
have
this
them
one.
kind of reasonable, don't it?
Yeah, they are. Very nice. So we have this side as well. Most are between 690 and like 590. Those are what, non-slip? I don't know, but I like it.
Mm.
No.
I mean, it's my look good on it. In the bathroom,
Yeah.
on the floor.
Yeah.
With the
No. No. Very nice. Yeah, choose from either this side or I'm on. Hmm?
so, wall tiles, eh?
Yeah. These are wall tiles.
These can be used like
Like
some of
maybe
them are like
backdrop.
bathroom. Some of them
Or yeah. Some of them are backdrop, some of them are bathroom. Yeah.
it's kind of nice. Oh, me, I want a backdrop this size. Can just buy like 3, 4, 5 of these. Just really tight
Mm-hmm.
across and it done.
And they're not bad. So my side over there, so guys in the source of my side. Alright, this is my section, guys. These are wood tiles. I love wood tiles. You not like them here more than the regular tile? I do.
Not this is a word villa nice fence.
Would be like nice, huh?
Fence?
Fence. Yeah. How that would have nice to put like on a
No, I
living
like
room
the shiny
floor.
ones.
You prefer
One
the
more natural one.
natural looking one? Those?
No, all of these seen of it.
The
Flat.
prices are like 2000, 2004, 2005 days. So them not bad at all. Me like them, but Papa say not like them at all. So I could go work for my folly grounds.
These are what that's okay.
Yeah. These are some more, these are some backgrounds.
Well, these are white and sorry. For us. They are the one. But me, this year.
Sure, don't judge me because I don't know everything. I don't know what they are used for.
Since I
And we didn't ask for assistance, so we're kind of assist yourself. But there are a lot of customer service personnel here, so if you need the help, just ask. Trust me, them willing and ready for assist, you know. But we just chose to look around on our own. Alright. So we're taking our time and stepping away from the little cars. These are nice. Them they are like kitchen backdrop. Like a that. With the white tile that was our home there, so.
anything right and what people oh, we wanted that one. It doesn't need to with a one time.
Mm-hmm.
It's too much. Again, it's down to personal for you. Dark, right? Yeah, you got your shirt here. Chocolate people. These, you know, you're going to public bathrooms.
Mm-hmm.
If you're close,
I don't know. I don't know.
these.
It's a little too thin for me. No, you know, say no. Let me take that back. It's not too plain. It's just not my type, not my style at
Oh,
all.
it's updated then.
Huh? It kind of
Updated.
yeah.
Mm. So I give it to the you tell me something. What's this type of water?
You like it? Limestone. I'm not bad.
It's a non-slip.
Yeah. Is it non-slip? Yeah, these are anti-slip tiles, guys.
You're gonna feel it. Where put these?
I don't know.
It's a floor tile.
Maybe outside long like a porch.
Oh, I'm good doing fine.
Mm-hmm. But it's nice. This is my favorite color, the gray. The gray is very pretty and calm. Yeah. No,
Inside.
no, it would have be well. It says exterior.
So that's the
Yeah.
see?
So it would be lovely on like a outside
Or
porch.
like on your porch or
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Alright, can we take our time and move it from the tiles them no more? See what they have an elevator, guys. I'm afraid that it's bad. So I don't know whether I have to take stairs or take the elevator. I don't know. Look at that one. That gray. Then they go. Whoa. Alright, so we're moving. Oh, we missed this side. Look at it. Marble. These are marble. Granites. They have doors as well. Gong ano, no?
Doors, the
Yeah.
windows.
Me want one nice door.
On
One
the
nice
front,
front door, a brown.
I would prefer a door with a glass somewhat.
Yeah.
Kind
So
of
like
that
this one.
nice entrance light.
Like this.
I really like the.
I like that one.
Look at it.
Let me show you the price.
Old
It is
fashioned
actually.
ish.
Let me show them the price.
So 18,900 plus
But it's not bad enough.
GCT, 18, and it kind of
These are steel doors.
the prices seem a bit reasonable there.
Of course, active is reasonable.
So like this now, probably. This was on the brown.
I don't like the white. The white
This
I
you
got
use when you
talk
look
about
on
too much
like a beach
dirt.
house. Yeah. Or something.
Mm-hmm.
Something like this.
Hmm? Then I look on this one.
This one?
No, the brown one.
This brown?
Yeah, open it.
This looks like a closet door.
You look like a door?
It look like
I
something you
like
put
it.
on the outside. It's not even a handle though.
Well, just in case, it says 34,900. Includes door jam as well.
This more look like
It's
slide.
gonna be a nice slide.
Yeah.
Bedroom door.
But it reasonable.
Yeah. But you know, me love that one like for the entrance door.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This room?
Yeah, the brown. I prefer the brown.
This is a 42.9.
No, I never have the windows as well.
What's your preference?
It's a five mesh. Coming out with no lizard kick me out of the room.
Like a black.
Black window? Why not brown?
Black look nice. I mean, as much. Slides nice.
Hmm? The black with mesh is I don't know what size that window is, so I don't know. And these are some more doors.
These look like.
These look like regular bedroom doors.
Oh,
Oh, you have to pull out. Watch out.
It's a small.
this is really nice. Different,
Hmm.
right?
Um.
I mean, I'm not gonna be able to different.
Well, they said that the lock and the hinges are sold separate, so you wouldn't get it with that. Let me see that dark brown one.
So,
Yeah, that is nice. That is lovely. Look, guys.
yeah, but it's huge.
Gotcha. What you did? Oh, Jesus. Come lucky back here. And it is 31,900. And it includes door jam.
That's 81.5 by 34.5.
Mhm.
7 inches. So second. What is on there?
Eh?
2 plain.
It's alright.
It's just
It's alright.
32.
It's alright. It's not bad. Hmm? I love this one though. Ooh. We're heading to the bathroom section. This is my section. I spend most of my time in the bathroom.
You doing what?
That's not your business. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Most of the lock them here, them with them how.
Something for 900.
Huh?
This is 749.
Uh-huh. Oh, this is 64.9.
I think mainly because of the technology. The only thing with technology nowadays,
How about
the
expensive?
price being up for something like this, you can spend cheap money still.
This is 64.9 and this is 74.9. Okay, here's the first.
26,000.
Oh well.
Just for 26,000.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. This the price of toilets.
You spend most of your time in the bathroom, you
Yeah.
know the price of toilet. Correct. And in toilet, I say with these flush tops nowadays,
Uh-huh.
very nice. These are the new technology. They flush really fast. Little to
As
no
long as it
water.
can hold me for the mirror.
See? Top flush button. Snow close seat. I don't know what that
I'll show you
means.
the prices. Oi.
Oh goodness, man. That well deep.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a bad day, you can't feel this. Yeah, Jen, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
I would.
Only thing I don't like the color.
The color is fine.
It's not.
It's
It
fine.
needs to be white.
Some face
Huh?
if you have the right face base and other stuff to go with it.
Yeah, but not that look like a yellow. Look at this cream.
French or something like that.
Hmm?
Something like that is French or more.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like that. Oh yeah, well, but they have. Can you not bring me what you come along here? I'm going to learn. Load in one and walk.
So just the regular one. 64,900. It's not bad neither. And comes with drawers. Ross. Wait. Oh, drawer. I think it's a drawer. Oh, it does come with a drawer. Okay. Alright.
9,000. Sir, my personal preference is
This.
anything with
So suppose it go wrong. Suppose it go bad.
anyone thing about
Hmm? The regular flush not gonna go bad.
Ooh,
I like this one.
oh, how big the base is. It look like Titan, it look like a ship.
But Jesus. So up to this. This one looks delicious.
It look like a goosh.
It look like a what?
Goosh.
Douche? A bidet.
What's
A bidet. A bidet.
look like
Now look at this one, guys.
look like one of them wheeling. You know the type of wheel.
Look like a wheel mode. Anyway, so I have these 149 for that one, 149 for this one, 109 for this one, and we have 189 for this one. This one is lovely. And the rest of the toilet, so the regular toilet, the mirror, so. So I think, no, so me I go pay 79,000 for one toilet. I would have leave it.
If you could pay 79,000 for peace of mind, would you pay?
Of course,
This is peace
that
of
is
mind.
peace of mind. Alright, so we're going today. Jacuzzi, no. You're not, it's alright. Hmm? Okay. So this is our jacuzzi. Now, so my friend, I don't even call her name. We call her name. LaQuisha. Latoya. She was asking about jacuzzis. So this is the cost of one. There are a few, so let me show you a few of them. Oh, this is a shower. No, no, this is nice. Is this only for the door? The slide door, yeah. Just the slide door, 64,900.
You know what I'm like this even better? You know them have the new style now with the one glass.
The half a glass. Yeah.
Yeah. That's like this. 199 dollars. So I don't know see. I want to see one loads here.
But soon look on the rest of the showers. Then we're gonna look on the jacuzzis. The jacuzzis. And the rest of the countertops. This is another jacuzzi that they have. Oh, we have the double sink. Oh, this the planety. Just simple. Tub. 39,900. Very nice. This is like a jetted tub. This is 279. 279,000. This nice. 219,000. This is lovely. 109.
How's that? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
But them nice, you know, Bella?
Yeah.
Stuff them nice, so.
Yeah. Right. You didn't know the music, don't bite.
Mm-hmm.
You just use it this one.
Them
The
really
shorts in
fine.
them holes look nice.
Okay.
It's nice look.
Just a 9,000.
Yeah. But how
Does
much
it come
that
with a glass?
conventional face facing?
No. Cabinet set, the mirror and the basin. So this comes with the mirror and the basin and the cabinet set it up.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a full set for 69,000. The rest of the bath them. So we move over to the shower. We kinda speed it up, Nicole. Deji, where your name? Where your name? Della.
It's all right. No, no, whatever.
Yeah?
It's all right. No, no, whatever.
Rest of the
Yeah,
no, this is
but it
nice.
looks too small, man.
Not too small. I deep.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice.
26.9.
It just it's a bit small. I like this.
Alright, these are the regular basins that they have. On the regular sink. I don't like the regular still, but I prefer something like this with the cabinet. Okay. Like that.
Too small.
It's not, but if you like use one of the traditional sink them not small. Yeah, but they don't have it in brown. They don't want a white. Not with my daughter in the house. Can't have white.
I can take care of it. So I don't know.
We can't take care of white. Or something like this.
Even this nice.
Mm-hmm. And this is what's the price of this?
64.8, 69.9, and 74.800. What's
What's
the
it said?
difference?
One is a
Size.
oh maybe the size. $7,009 to the regular sink. If I go regular, it have to be a stylish regular like
Okay,
this.
this
32.9.
32.
And these are the basins. Oh, something like the American chair.
Yeah.
These are the pipes.
Faucets, right?
Yeah, faucets. Me say pipe. Pipe. Me say, oh, the showers. These are the sliding doors for the showers that they have. Sure, I see that everything some done one side. Them have one whole next section. We're not done for today. So these are just the shower doors. No, no, not really. You go for the slide one.
Okay. Slide.
How would you put it in?
Slide?
Hmm? Make sure you
Slide.
couple that in. Oh, no, they hear me ask.
Are you putting a slide?
69,000. Huh? These are the shower heads.
Oh, these are Amazon?
Oh, okay. Okay, the mirror for Walmart.
Amazon?
Yeah? Make sure you
These are
couple that.
Amazon?
Huh? No, these are rainforests.
Oh.
Oh, this and they have at the Airbnb. Where would you go?
This is like a charging station.
Oh, it's nice. These are kitchen sinks. Oh.
My preference for my kitchen sink would be a double.
Yeah.
Definitely a double.
Okay. Oh, these are the kitchen faucets. Oh, so we have the fridge.
Sugar nice.
Oh,
Oh,
very nice.
a lot of compartments.
Hmm?
You have a lot of compartments. You can put a lot of things. Mm.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so something like this is for 569,000 cash price.
Oh, have a freezer down south.
Mm-hmm.
Not fond of freezer being down at the bottom, but
And I mean,
you get up to speed with technology.
249. That's good. 129. This nice enough.
Mm. This is the elevator fridge.
Elevator fridge.
Hmm?
159. Nice.
All right, so this is a Frigidaire fridge. Cash price 449,000 plus GCT. So if you're one of them people that like nice things and this, fits your lifestyle, your style, then this is something where you should actually consider. Not bad.
No.
Here you have your kitchen counters. You have your storage areas.
Definitely nice. Oh, yeah.
My only drawback from this is the countertop. Probably wouldn't want a white countertop.
Yes.
Probably. But again, it all comes down to preference.
So these are wall openings.
This more look like a furnace.
You know, the baking on them something saying doesn't go on. Oh.
Another Frigidaire. So it's more the conventional type. Still nice. This goes for 169,000 plus GCT.
This was that's okay. Look how much. That's what I said. Electric.
Oh, 99.
Nice though. Okay. The mail already said the same price as a. The only drawback to this is that you don't have an oven. So you'd have to buy the wall oven. In that case, you'd have to buy a wall oven to put with something like this.
So we don't plug it in?
I don't know.
Seems that way. This is a nice size microwave. Frigidaire. This is what? 109,000.
Oh, like big inside, huge.
It actually weighs smaller than it looks.
Nice.
This one. And here we have our stoves. What's your preference in stoves, Jen? How many burners?
6.
6.
Yeah.
It's something like this.
Like 6 burners. Yeah. They have a nice good oven.
No, it's too big.
No, sir.
This is like something with Shaquille O'Neal that probably use.
No.
We have a wide range of stoves, different prices. So it's quite slim. 189,000. Mm. Alright, so we have some electric stoves here. What a drawback with using electric stoves, Jen? What's the drawback in using electric stoves? Nope, the drawback is JPS.
No. Well, we have electric, well, partially electric.
So, if you are one of the persons who would appreciate an electric stove, then you can pass through and check it out. This one is 169,000 plus tax. I am not a big fan of electric stoves, but they're still nice. Still appreciate them.
This looks like what we have.
The one we have the burner here is longer, more like this.
Oh.
And then here we have some washing machines.
Oh, these are the manual ones. But they come with. Oh, this is a drill?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is drill. Here's the closer.
99,000.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Hey, so we're upstairs for the tour, right?
Mm-hmm. What do you call this? Top load?
This is washer dryer.
Washer dryer combo.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
And LG a good brand, so this is Pretty much 400,000.
This is Samsung, you know.
This look kind of futuristic. That way.
Probably let me you show them whether you pick something that go up so far. There you go. Yeah.
Um,
Try this.
it's too clean.
So what do you want?
This one look nice.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Have a
alright.
little style to it. Don't like you.
Hmm?
Alright, peeps. So we head upstairs now. So them have upstairs, but downstairs, them have a lot of stuff. Downstairs so far, and the place is really nice.
Pause it. So the kitchen, the flooring, the bath.
Right? This is just a top view of the place. Really nice.
Start selling down. Did I have something like this when I come over here, you know?
Alright, so what you call this section now, Jen?
This would I love this.
Yeah.
It's soft and sturdy.
So each piece is sold separately.
Is it?
Yeah, so you have this long couch,
Mayana nothing from
299,000. I guess the couch comes with this section
sectional.
too, possibly. Because this is 69,900 for this chair. Price is on the side, 299.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, sure it's not a full?
It seems that way.
It throws me off completely. Yeah, like the pieces. These are lights. From the lights. Well, how light them because it's not we use more lights. The recess lights, recess again. So those are put like these.
But you know, you have some of them that actually allow outside light to come in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Dining table, 69,000.
69,000
It
for a
look like a
dining table
dining.
like this.
It don't look dining, but it look nice.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
Okay,
Man,
don't have to definitely have space.
if you have the space for it, it would look nice. And this goes for 249,000.
Look at this. It's not nice now, you know. This is pretty. You know, like it?
So this is wall art.
Yeah, that's what it'd be like. Wall art.
Not my preference, but
I love it.
yeah, that's right.
Make you raise out the bowl in there. What are the something?
And something like this goes for
29.
29,900. It's not bad.
One for 49 man.
Mm. This is not budging.
This is a queen size.
Queen size, 149,000. But it looks small. And then it's because Jen don't really sleep on fair side of the bed, you know. So we're gonna need something extremely bigger than this.
Sure.
These are fancy.
Nice.
Them kind of remind me of suitcase, yeah.
Give me camera. You know, sit down, but no.
Yeah, man, thank you. Sure. Jen, no,
Very customer friendly here.
something like this would be nice.
This is 39.
Yeah. And this is way reasonable.
This is oak. This is oak, guys. This. Oh, this is a she wants white in her room. So this wouldn't work for her room. She said
No,
she
but
wants
I like
white.
this.
I love it.
So this is what it looks like. And this is just
But you have
40,000.
the something for that. You have
The matching
the
dresser.
dresser, which is
And this is 49.9. And it comes with, what, 6 drawers? Yeah. It's not bad. Not bad at all.
The queen is a queen.
Morning.
Alright.
We'll get in through pretty well, thanks.
It's all. Oh. So this way on.
Oh.
No. The bed frame. So they don't put all this part in there. I didn't talk, you know. Yesterday, it's a queen frame for 59,000. They had the whole of this, the bed head plus that part here.
Yeah, but why it look like this?
Oh, okay, more once. Yeah, no.
The design. Springboard.
Yeah,
Board spring.
yeah.
So it's strong?
Fun. Feel it. Yeah. And the size look bigger. It look big. Yeah. You like it?
No, I feel a little bit weakish.
So you have this as well. You get the frame and the base, I guess, for 89,900. And it also comes in king. So the king one and the blue one at the back.
You want to say you can see the different
Oh, so the
size.
king size is 89,900, which is a blue.
Mm-hmm.
And the queen 79,900. This is lovely. This neither. This you not get no bunk bed for this either. Yeah. Big bed. Yeah, the king base.
Hmm?
You're king. You look at
Yeah, but
the
this, no,
well,
it
the
have the width.
mattress is 84,900, but the base is 49,900.
So we can buy the base separate.
Yeah.
Not reasonable. This actually look good.
Mm-hmm.
With the
That's a
headboard.
headboard. I mean, you know,
So the
you can't
headboard
really
is
do this
separate.
now. A headboard.
That's how 139,000.
Yeah. I'm gonna make a side left table.
Show up with the side table. 54,900. Not bad. Not bad.
Maybe listen on bit.
No, this looks sturdy.
This?
Mm-hmm.
It's low.
Too low.
Oh, yeah. It never knew what I mean. Yes. And look on the legs. And of course, we're gonna see it somewhere. And Vanities.
So
It
this
is
is
then ready.
still not too bad.
I'm trying to lens.
Wouldn't
This would have
the
done
lamp
really well.
ever shall break it?
So now I'm gonna break double lamp.
So here you have your decorative items. Some artificial plants. This one is for 2,490. We have some other plants here. Yeah. Some nice little stuff you use for enhance the beauty of your home. These are nice.
Alright, bye. You like great. Love it. Oh, Adam, you put me like 1,490.
They're really nice one.
The evening of the host.
Alright, so here we have single bed. Mattress feel really nice though.
Yeah. If I go part of the Marcos me,
I don't
I
know.
want to feel it. Oh, it's true. Yeah, it feel nice.
So the mattress is sold separate. This says 39,000 for the mattress. And then this is a 49,900. $79,900 for
Yeah.
bed frame. And the queen mattress.
The queen mattress is 74.9. Might as well buy the king.
So that run
No,
you
the
off
base.
about 150.
It's low, but
Well, 155. That's not bad. Not a bad investment at all. I know some of we will suffer from back pains and all of them things then. Sometimes it's good to change out the mattress. It actually helps, you know?
yeah. Let them color here. Look at the one behind you.
Yes, now. Oh, you're fully active. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
the 6 0? Yeah, man.
Big up, man. That's some really nice stuff in here, man. Some really extremely nice stuff.
Cool, man. And a lot more to come because right presently now, I mean, we have the stock. Our greatest problem is that, of course, as it relates to like the space where you put them out. So, still trying to manage and see how best we can actually handle it.
Yeah, man, but so far so good. So far so good.
We install a lot of new lighting, so, and a lot more to actually put out. So, that's a plus.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
Very nice.
All right.
They
Let me get your
Yeah,
name.
man. Anderson, ready?
Anderson.
Yeah.
You can check
Yeah,
us out on
man.
YouTube, Hershey Travels.
All right. And if you come to Active, just link up Anderson.
Yeah, man.
Very friendly, right? He can guide you through whatever you think fit in for your style.
All right,
You
thank
know?
you.
Yeah,
Anderson, bless up, man.
bless up.
Respect.
This looks rich. Real rich.
It's a coffee table. So where you put something like this?
Nine out of middle of your living room. What is it?
Oh, this is not my living room, then.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna go around this lady. Oh, moving around there, ceiling fan. Can we get two ceiling fans?
All right.
How do you install ceiling? Can we get two ceiling fans?
Why we need a ceiling
I
fan?
don't know, but I like them. Them pretty. Them because you have the
It-
posters nice.
Yeah, so realistically, the ceiling fan doesn't have to work.
It just needs to be there.
Aesthetic.
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, this is nice. Look here.
So, yes, this is my height.
This is nice.
Mm.
And look at the color, the gray. I mean, the gray wouldn't work for we, but
So,
or maybe it would.
all of this is a complete set?
Well, it's sold separately. So this is a nightstand for 14.9. This is another type of nightstand. This is the Chester drawer. 34.9. Oh, feel it. Nice. And then you have the dresser. This is 29.9. But the
But
bed
this bed,
fascinates me.
this is
The bed
nice.
fascinates me. Della, this
So if you check out the frame is still low, but you can get a mattress with a nice height on it.
height. I don't want to because
This is
this mattress is 109 and the base is 49.9. Mind you guys, this is plus tax.
plus.
But it nice, it worth it. If a bed like this in a come out. None at all. It's still in a room for dear. 40 days and 40 nights. 69, 129. They should have loved that too. Me no want no white in my room. Me can't do white.
So here we have a small dining table, nothing too big. Looks good, you know. This can complement a family of 4, 5, or 6. You just need some additional chairs. But this is fine. This goes for 109,000. Very nice.
With the bench. The bench is 39.9. And the dining table itself is 119,000.
So listen,
Ooh.
even if
But them king nice, you know?
even if you don't occupy a job will pay a substantial amount, save a little.
Sale.
Invest in
Buy it here.
yourself. Take your time. If it take you half a year to buy a nice bed, something nice, at least each time you go home, you can look at it and you can say, this is my investment. You know?
I like it. So the king, 79.9. The mattress is 49.9.
So mattress is 49.9. And then you have the bed frame, king size, 79,900. And again, plus GCT. Engine.
So queen? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Queen.
Yeah.
A bit narrow. But
Yeah, you can't hold on this.
mhm.
Because me definitely want to stay at the edge of the bed. So me over here, so no, you over here and me them right here. Look at this. Snakes. Okay.
I mean, like you watch our little jeweler or something like that.
Something like this would
Um,
you don't like it?
a bit small,
This is
space
small.
wise.
You need fit in a you once you over there, say alright, you know.
The other thing is, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, pretty much.
Listen, you right there, so me right there, so there's you right there. So what more you want?
Since we are family of 3.
Yeah. Yeah, fast right there, so here.
Alright, so these are what our chandeliers, Jen?
Where?
Here.
Then
These are really nice. So this
I don't
couch
like
has
this
a
one.
jeans look.
I don't like
I
the
don't really
it's
like
nice.
the jeans
Purple
look, but
nice.
again,
I love
you
it.
know.
If it wasn't this color.
But right now, looking at you right now, you look really good. Yeah. Uh-huh.
God, boy. Beautiful. That's cute. This is nice.
Mm-hmm. No,
This is a
this
love
I
seat.
appreciate. Love seat is for 2, right?
Whoa.
Yeah?
The love seat and my jacket is the same color.
When you match up with people, I'm coaching.
May I have to taste it? Oh, it said, please do not sit.
All right, peeps. So watch this. Please do not sit. Please
This
do not
place
sit.
full. Well, I didn't sit on that one. That one is. It's on. Oh, oh, so.
Mm. All right. So we have a
We have those. Kind
mm,
of thinner though, or
yeah,
thicker.
thin up, not as wide. And again, we have a wide range of chandeliers, so you know we have a lot of stuff you can choose from based on your liking. Prices aren't that bad.
Surface scratch. Or one have the circle. Or the circle one this thing. Wow.
So this can actually spin.
No. Oh, oh, it's just a piece.
Oh,
Oh, actually have a circle.
looks nice, but I prefer the circular piece.
Oh, these are outdoor chairs.
Yep. Very nice. I like this table. This this is nice.
What is outdoor? Where you going? Okay. Yep.
Outdoor.
On the roadside.
Or is a
Side.
this is nice.
I like this, but I wish it was in brown.
Black.
Huh? You don't like it?
It
I wish
looks
it was in
nice.
brown though.
And this is
54.
outdoor dining.
Mm-hmm. But you can still put it indoor.
It looks more aesthetic for outdoor.
No, 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 outdoor. And they also have lounge chairs.
Mm. So we have some ceiling lights also.
Those are that is actually cheaper than what I bought. That is the one that we have outside. This one?
Oh, this
Yeah,
one,
and it's for 3,690 and I got it for 4,000 something.
4,000 something, give or take. I mean, right now, solar is the way to go, right?
Yeah.
Because JP is not going with at all, people. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the one that we have.
Mm-hmm. And this frame is even stronger.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
This is nice.
Yeah. We had it. Here, I can put it. The colors are nice though. I don't mind
I love this
like
table.
these colors. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
It's nice.
It just give me a light vibe, like I feel free type of vibe.
It's on clearance as well. So 159. I can it's now for 119.
119.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So
We didn't do much of the lighting because it's a lot, but they have wonderful lighting here.
simple but
Simple
elegant.
and
No.
nice, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And then check this out.
Have a bench. Oh, yeah. I like it.
Spacious. Mm.
It's nice. 69.9. It's nice.
Dining table.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then guess what? Chair. Have a little bucket type style too.
Oh, look at this. Storage.
Oh.
Mhm. There. Oh, that's a nice entrance table. That's a nice little entrance table or a back table. So what they call it a sofa table.
Mm-hmm.
But it's like we could have used it as an entrance table. Oh. I like it.
So what is the like behind the couch?
Behind the couch.
Something like that?
So normal them use it for like separate the dining room from the living room.
Oh.
You put it behind the couch. So it start there. It's nice. Sturdy, yeah?
Feel extremely firm.
So what we love, you know. It's just space. Look at. I don't know
This
why they
is
look the round table
nice.
them.
The round table just,
Them look nice.
you know. This is 109. So it come with the entire set? Or just,
Oh no.
no.
No, it's separate. 49.9 for the chair. And you know we have the lamps as well. What a nice big lamp. I put on in there. Archie.
Trust me.
Hmm?
When we look at all of this stuff are active out, my home look comfortable already.
Mm-hmm. Yep. These are nice. Oh, they have rugs. I'm not a rug person.
Mm-hmm.
No, still I watch no. Yeah.
This rug kind of match your ear, you know.
Wait.
Go beside it, I'm gonna show you something. See?
Not white, Asian. Nothing white. They train out in for food like that. Dear God.
Something like this is for 74,900 plus tax.
You're able to do more. What? Somebody has to make it up.
That's nice.
Right now, if me for buy a rug, preferably a black one.
Alright guys, so we've come to the end of our little tour here at Active. I hope you guys saw something that no one to buy or no one to buy for Christmas. Anyways, that's it guys. We're out.